What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm coming back with some more Pixel 9 Pro XL accessory content. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Dbrand Grip Case. Now, this is one of my favorite cases. I had this case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max and I absolutely loved it, so I wanted to give it a try on the Google Pixel. Now, if you don't know about Dbrand, they make a lot of skins and skins that go on cases. Right, if you are a fan of skins, then you probably have heard of Dbrand. Now, trying the Grip Case, and I actually tried the Ghost Case as well last year with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It was my first time actually getting any Dbrand products, and I absolutely loved the Grip Case for my iPhone, and I actually liked the Ghost Case despite some of the controversy that was going on with it. It was scratching a little bit too easily, but I did like the Ghost Case. Sidebar on that, a new Ghost Case is coming. Ghost Case 2.0, I believe, is what they have called it. So if you ordered the first Ghost Case and you were disappointed, you should be getting a follow-up from Dbrand on how to replace or get a reimbursement or a new Ghost Case coming up pretty soon. But skip all that. We're going to take a look at the Grip Case. All right, now set the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL to the side. We're going to be taking a look at the Obsidian colorway. All right, we'll set that over to the side. Now, I already ripped it out of the package and have tested it for a little bit, but when you take it out of the package, it does come with a microfiber cloth and then this little coin cardboard flip over that says, "Now that your product has arrived, you have two options: tag Dbrand on social media and flip over this card. Remember, we know where you live." All right, you've got all their socials there on this card, and then you can flip it over and scan this QR code. Now, I haven't actually scanned the QR code yet, so I don't know where it takes you. I imagine it probably takes you to their website, probably. But we'll set this over to the side, so appreciate getting a little extra in the package. You got to appreciate that. Now, when we take a look at the box, we've got Dbrand across the front. We've got Grip down here at the bottom, and then nothing too crazy on the sides. We do have some information down here on the very bottom. It says Grip Pixel 9 Pro XL. We flip it open. We've got purchased, delivered, install, dbrand.com/how. We've got more of their socials up here at the top. And then it's not a product, it's a culture. Now, when you get the Grip Case, it comes with a skin. All right, you have the option to just get the skin or order the Grip Case and then choose your skin. They have tons of skins on their website. I decided to go with the cotton candy colorway for the Grip Case. All right, so when you're ordering this online, you've got the option to choose some different colorways. And so I think with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, I decided to go with the Carnage colorway. I wanted to try something a little bit more bright this time around. All right, so they make you order the skin. I typically like the Grip Case without the skin. Occasionally, I'll put the skin on or I'll take the skin off and change it out for a new one. But I do like rocking the Grip Case just by itself. So we're going to possibly install this for you guys at the end of the video to show you what the cotton candy colorway looks like. But for now, we're going to take a look at the Grip Case before we put on the phone. So we've got this hard protective plastic on the back. We've got our precise cutout for our camera. We've got grip down here at the bottom. And then what makes this case so awesome is all the way around, we've got this grippy texture all the way around. We've even got these, if you can see them, rubberized grips right here. All right, this thing feels really good in the hand. The grip all the way around the outside is going to ensure that you don't drop this thing at all. This thing is going to stay in your pocket. It's going to stay in your hand. All right, it's got a raised lip here. So when you set your phone on its back, it's going to be level. Now, it's already pretty level with the Google Pixel on that camera bump that they've got. The camera bump for the Google Pixel, it doesn't wobble very much at all, but you like the attention to detail there by Dbrand to include that. All right, and then the way that this camera lip sits here, your camera actually sits recessed back in there when you have the case on. So I think is a pretty cool look for that. But we've got an opening for a speaker at the top. We've got our speaker at the bottom, our USB-C port, and then our SIM tray area there. So here is what it looks like without the phone and without a skin. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and slap Pixel in here. All right, so as soon as you slap that in there, it's a super tight fit, and I love the way this looks. All right, so make sure everything's where it needs to be. See our speaker there, our side, our bottom, power, volume up and down. And this does have some of the most clickiest buttons. Not sure if you'll be able to hear that on the mic. Let's see if you can. Some of the most clickiest buttons. So if your tactility, that's what you're about, you're going to get that with the grip case. And it's actually one of the favorite things about this case. Now, I'm not normally a tactile person, but I do like the satisfaction on the grip case when you click. It's got a nice feel and a nice sound. So that is the grip case for the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Now, real quick, so we don't forget, we'll take a quick look at the inside, because this case is MagSafe. So on the inside, we've got Dbrand. We've got this nice felty texture on the inside that'll protect your phone from getting scratched and beat up when you're taking it in and out. And then we've got the MagSafe ring, which is super awesome because Pixel by itself isn't MagSafe, and so you need to get a case that has MagSafe. But I absolutely love that feature, and so you're able to slap on your accessories that you have. Here's a MagBack wallet. Nice strong magnet there, and especially if you're coming from iPhone like I was, you just got used to MagSafe. Here's an ESR wallet. Black on black looks really nice there. All right, and then I have kind of a pop socket accessory that I use to kind of stand up my device if I want to watch some content, but it also adds some ergonomics on the back. I don't know if that's what it's designed to do, but that's what I use it for. And it's got pretty good strength there. So it's kind of an all-in-one with this case. You're going to get that super protective, grippy, slim profile, MagSafe. It really does everything that you want in a case. And then if you're someone that likes to customize, this is going to give you the ability to customize with the different stickers and skins that you can get. So you can also get the skin for the grip case, but they also have skins that you can just slap on your device as well. So maybe the grip case isn't for you, but you do want to check out Dbrand because you do like skins. They have a wide variety. You still might find yourself picking up just some of their skins just for the device. Now on the bottom, we've got our USB-C down here, and we'll test a plug. As you can see, we have plenty of real estate left with this USB-C. This is an Apple one, but you can see how much space we have left in there that you can probably get your medium to thicker size cables in there as well. And so this is definitely one of my favorite cases. All right, I enjoyed it. Again, like I said, I enjoyed it for the iPhone. Excited to test it out with the Pixel. And I did get a skin. Now I'm going to try to put this on here, probably do it off camera. I'm going to put this on and then come back and show you guys what the cotton candy colorway looks like for the Google Pixels. Give me 1 second, probably more than a 1 second, couple minutes, and we'll jump right back in and I'll show you guys what this looks like. All right, y'all, so here you have it. It took a couple minutes to put on, but here is the cotton candy colorway for the Dbrand grip case. Really like this. Now, typically, I don't rock the camera protector, but for the sake of this video, just to give you guys a full look of what this thing looks out, decked out, it's 2 pieces. You get the main body skin, and then you get a little cutout for the camera ring. But this is it. Dbrand cotton candy colorway, the grip case. Looks really nice, and I don't know if the camera is going to do it as much justice. This thing looks really good in person. Nice kind of vibrant blue, purple. Looks awesome. So appreciate you guys sticking it to the end of this video. If you found this video helpful or enjoyable, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. greatly helps out the channel. If you like tech-related content and want to see more of that, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell so you know when new videos go live. But that is it for me. Till next time, be blessed. Catch you in the next video. Peace.